Well, hello there, and good morning. Man, I was dragging this morning trying to get up. I did not want to get out of bed, but the sun was coming, and it would have got real hot in there. But that's due probably because I got into camp so late last night. It's probably the latest I've hiked so far on the trail. It was probably almost 7 o'clock before I rolled into camp, 7 p.m. But I'm up and I'm walking. So today I'm going to try to get to Silverwood Lake. Should be about 15 miles or so. Got this beautiful canyon that I'm walking along. But, oh, that sun. Other than that, everything is good. And I'll check in with you later. Hey, how you doing? I'm about 4 miles in today. It's been some great trail. Not too much. I mean, there's been some uphill, but not too much. And then, I tell you, looking at all these flowers, these yellow flowers in bloom, it is beautiful. They're everywhere. Hope you don't have allergies hiking out here, because man, you can really smell them too. But I'm lucky I don't. So just gonna continue on. Try to make some miles, get over to the lake, Silverwood Lake. But I can see right now, I'll turn the camera, I can see the trail on the other ridge over there. So I'll go down in here and then head back out over there. All right, catch you later. Hello. Just wanted to make a comment that, a couple days ago when I woke up and started hiking, it was like 30 something degrees. The wind was blowing like crazy. Now, no breeze and not a cloud in the sky. Sun is out. And it's starting to get warm. But there's a lot of shade, so it always makes it nice when you come by a tree and go into the shade, stop, drink some water. Yeah, I just wanted to make a note how much the weather changes, just like the landscape. I mean, when I came down from San Jacinto, snow to the desert floor, that was all in one day, basically. I mean, it took 2 days to get down the mountain, but 1 day to get out of the snow and into the heat. All right, I'll talk to you later. All right, here we go. Look both ways and cross. Gotta cross them roads. Oh yeah. Sometimes you gotta cross roads, and other times you gotta go through construction sites. Hello. I was just thinking how fun that would be to ride your skateboard down. I mean, if the water at the end is really deep. Just thought. you know, the whole trail is not glamorous. Sometimes you gotta walk next to businesses, roadways, but that's just part of the trail. I mean, most of it actually is very beautiful. Well, here looks like another area where it'd be fun to have a skateboard. Little wash right here. All right, here we are. Silverwood Lake. May just want to jump right in. It's a little warm today. Bet the water feels great. Oh yeah. So I'm guessing, but don't quote me on it. But right over there, the dam, I think that's the big dam we walked by earlier, where I made the comment about riding your skateboard down. Not 100%, but I'm pretty sure. All right. You know, I've been to Silverwood Lake before, and I knew it was a big lake, but man, once you start walking around it, then you realize how big the lake really is. It is a big lake. And then you hear in the background, over at the beach over there, all the music coming. These people are probably having some cold beers. And you're walking in the hot sun. Oh well, guess you can't have everything in life, right? Well, that's it, Silverwood Lake. Way down there, hiked all the way up here after lunch. Whew, that was a big climb, but made it. All right, pulled another 18.5-mile day. Got my tent set up here. So the most people I think I have tented around. I don't know if you can see all the tents back there. But should be an easy stroll into McDonald's for tomorrow. Good day, and I feel pretty good. I'm a little bit tired, my legs, but all good. I'm gonna eat some dinner and hit the rack. Good morning. Ranger coming at you. Had a good night's sleep last night. 7:30 a.m. start. I think that's becoming my norm. Just wake up whenever the sun starts creeping on the tent, and then it takes maybe about an hour, 45 minutes to get ready. But other than that, I am just excited because it's McDonald's day today. I mostly just want to shake. And you know what that means, the shake machine's probably broken. But we'll see. All right, catch you down the trail. There's the freeway, the 15. Long way down. It's just kind of crazy. I've been walking next to these power lines, and you can really hear the electricity flowing right through it. It sounds kind of neat. I feel electrified. All right, it's guessing time. Is the shake machine going to be working or is it going to be broken? I'll let you know in a little bit. And yes, there's the shake. They were cleaning the machine, so I had to wait about an extra 15-20 minutes, but it was totally worth the wait. Well, hello there.
Howdy.
All right, after stuffing my face with McDonald's and the milkshake, it's time to hit back on the trail. And gonna go under the I-15 right now. Right under there. Hope there's no scary people. Bridge trolls. All right. All right, just finished passing under the I-15 freeway and the train tracks. So I'm gonna try to get in about 5.5 more miles. So water cache up ahead. I guess there's some tent spots there. So we'll see. Just went under the train bridge. I think I probably have to go under one more, maybe. Let's see. Well, I guess I didn't have to go under the other set of tracks. I'm going over. Oh. Whew. Oh yeah.